Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print document from laptop to printer. So I'm going to do this demonstration with Canon printer MG3650. This video tutorial is applicable to pretty much all the printers. What you need to do is you need to make sure your printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, the same thing applicable to your laptop. So basically you need to make sure your printer and laptop are connected to the same network. Okay, and once it's done, make sure then you switch the printer on. Now go to your laptop and go to your file explorer. File explorer is usually this. Okay, you will see very next to Microsoft Edge, depending on laptop you are using. So file explorer is next to Microsoft Edge. So click it, open your file explorer. I save my document in many folders. Okay, I save my document in the download, document folder, and picture. So what you need is sometimes I also save it on the desktop. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go where you save this document and open it up. So I'm going to open up my document file. So go to documents, click it open to open the file. Now these are documents saved document folder, okay, in my computer. Now what you need to do is you need to select the specific document you want to open up. Okay, so I'm going to use this as example. Click it, double click it. Okay, now when you double click it, this is the document I want us to print out. Okay, so this document is black and white document. So to print this document out, what you need to do is you need to go on top, okay, and select print image, or you select Control P, Control plus P on your computer. When you select Control plus P, it gives you option, it bring out print option. Okay, so this is the document, and this is the document you want to print. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure you select correct printer. If you don't select this printer, you will not be able to print. So we need to first of all scroll down to select the printer we want to use to print this document. Okay, like myself, I have quite so many printers on my computer, so I need to make sure that I select the correct one. So, and this is now Canon MG3600 series printer is ready. So you select on it, make sure you select. The next thing to do is you need to select how many copies you want to print this document, how many copies. Okay, so you need to scroll, okay, down to increase the copies, or scroll down to decrease it. So you can see one copy. It will first of all show you one here. So the number of copies you want to can see is going up 2, 3. So the more you add them, you add from top arrow, decrease from the top, from the bottom arrow. Okay, so now I want us to print this document only one. Okay, now the next thing is layout. So you need to select the layout, portrait or landscape. If you check the image of the document, currently is in portrait. If you want it to be in landscape, then you need to select landscape. I'm going to show you how the landscape looks. Select landscape, you see the documents. Okay, so this is landscape. Okay, but I like to have it portrait, in portrait. So now this is in portrait. Okay, the next thing to do is it will ask you, you see pages. So you select if you want to print all the pages, or you want to print odd page only. Odd pages like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, or even pages. Even pages are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. Or another option is for you to select the specific page range. Okay, if you select this dot, okay, after the even page, select the next dot is for you to select the specific page range. Maybe document you want to print is like 1 to 15 or 1 to 8, then you decide to print only 1 to 2 or 1 to 4 or 1 to 7 instead of printing all of them. or printing even only one, you can select to print only one page. When you select to print only one page, you see you print only page, this only one. So you can add the number of page, or say you want to print 2. When you print type the number of page, it will print that specific page. You can see it will change for us to print only this page. Okay, so but we want to print all of them, so I want to print all, select all. Okay, now the other thing is, option is for you to select the color of your document. So you need to select the color. The color of this document is black. Okay, so I won't be able to add its color. If it's document that is scanned in a colored format, you'll be able to change it to black and white. Okay, but a document that you scan as a black and white, you can't add color to it. Okay, so now this document are going to have it black and white. Okay, now color. The other option thing I want us to print on both sides. Print on both sides is for you to print the same document. Okay, like this document now is 2 pages, so I want us to print it on both sides to save paper, for instance. So you select print on both sides, long edge or short edge. I like to print it on both sides. Okay, long edge. If you don't want to print it on both sides, then you need to select print on one side, so it will print only single page. Okay, so you need to select print on one side or print on both sides. So at the moment we selected print on both sides. Okay, now another thing is select more option. If you select more option, then you scroll down to select the paper size. What you are printing is A4 paper. So if you want to print in different formats, okay, then you need to make sure you load particular paper. Okay, if you want to print like envelope or photo paper, A5, B5, 4x6 photo paper, letter. So you need to make sure you load that particular paper. Okay, and also change the photo format from the printer top. Okay, so change the photo. So what we want to print is from A4. Okay, then the next is you select actual size or fit to printable area, or select the actual size. So you select the actual size, or you select 100%. Now page per sheet is 1 page. So once you select all this, okay, the next thing to do, you need to select print. So we're going to select print. You can see the document is printing out. Now it's going to go back inside to print the second page, because we selected to print on both sides. Okay, here we go. So this is how to print this document, okay, from your laptop to your printer, and we printed this out double-sided. Now I want to show you another way to print this document from laptop. Another way to print document from laptop is for you to go to the printer, okay, software. So this printer is downloaded, okay, to my PC. The software is downloaded to my PC. So we need to go to Image Garden. Okay, if you are using HP, then you go to HP Smart App. If your printer is Epson, then you go to Epson Smart Panel. So my printer is Canon. We need to go to Canon Image Garden. So the next thing to do is you need to select image from the Image Garden. Select the document you want. Go select the Image Garden from the laptop. And so you wait for the Image Garden to open. So now this is the Image Garden. Okay, now the next thing from the Image Garden, you see print. organize file, scan, and premium content. So you need to select print. So select document, and these are documents saved, okay, on my laptop. So click on that document, click on it, okay. So these are the documents, this first and second one. Now to print from the image guide, you can see this document is in colored form, okay. So you need to go on top of it and select file, select file. When you select file, then it give you option for you to delete, print, or exit. Select print. When you select print, then you wait, and this document now I can see this is the page 1, and select, you see the second page for you to see you are printing 2 pages. Now the next thing to do, you need to select the particular printer you want to use. This printer is MG, so you need to make sure the printer is ready. This is MG3650 series. Select on it, then you need to select paper size A4 paper, okay. Then media type is plain paper. If you have photo paper or hagaki or envelope, then you need to select that particular one. So what we have here is plain paper. Now another thing is for you to select page range. Select page range. It give you option to use select all or particular page 1 to 2 or page 1 only, okay. Then after that, the select advanced setting. Advanced setting is for you to select print quality. It give you option for you to select high, standard, draft, and custom, okay. We want to have it in standard, okay. Once you select all this, the next thing to do is you need to select print. Now this document is going to print out. Here we go. Okay guys, you can see this document we printed out. We printed it out in colored, okay. You can see the colored. The first one we printed out, we printed it in black and white, okay. So this is how to print document from laptop to your printer, okay. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.